Let there be light. And there was light. Are you feeling the effects of this flu season? And you need to recharge? Try this immune boosting turmeric tea with oil of oregano. It will help fight flu viruses and your cold symptoms. If you want to know this recipe, then keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Like this video. Benefits of black tea. Black tea contains polyphenols, which are antioxidants that help block DNA damage associated with tobacco and other toxic chemicals. The antioxidants help fight free radicals, which are the unstable molecules in the body. Black tea also supports your immune system. It also provides high levels of manganese, a mineral your body needs. Relieves stress. Boosts heart health. Reduces the risk of stroke, and so much more. Benefits of green tea. Rich in polyphenols, catechins, and flavonoids that display antioxidant, antimicrobial, and alkalizing immune-stimulating properties. The catechins in green tea may inhibit the growth of bacteria and some viruses, such as the influenza virus, and lowers the risk of infections. Oil of oregano benefits. Oil of oregano is a natural antibiotic. It has antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. It contains several healing compounds like carvacrol, thymol, and terpene. The carvacrol in oregano can inhibit viruses in vitro. Oil of oregano is more effective against respiratory viruses like the flu virus, and it is widely used to treat cold and flu symptoms. Benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that can be used for its medicinal, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. The medicinal properties can boost the immune system, even with an immune disorder. It can also relieve gastrointestinal discomfort and much more. Materials needed for immune boosting turmeric tea. Black tea. Green tea. Turmeric. of oregano. Unpasteurized organic honey. Alkaline or distilled water. Turmeric tea with oil of oregano recipe. Subscribe for more natural remedies. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Give us a like. Comment below. Share this video.